Hello everyone, and welcome back to another market review. This is Silent. We're looking at the NASDAQ September contract for 2025. Starting off with the weekly chart again. We closed the week here with a strong close above that buy side liquidity on the weekly. Trade above the 845 at the beginning of the week and just rallied strong for a nice closure. On the daily chart, again, we've been tracking this rally since we've seen the turning point there. Found support in daily wick, constant encroachment twice in two different instances, and finally ran up into that buy side liquidity. Today's price action opened up with a gap higher, traded down just to the constant encroachment perfectly, and rallied strong to close the week. On the 4-hour chart, we just seen a closer look on that perspective. Had the drop down, respect that buy side balance on the way down, created sell side liquidity, rallied up, and redelivered into that SIBI. Traded below it, taking out sell side liquidity and doing a reversal here, reaccumulating the buy side balance on the daily, reclaiming the SIBI as inversion, trading up, respecting the daily wick constant encroachment. That's this bold red line, reclaiming the buy side imbalance again, trading higher, and then today found respect on the daily wick constant encroachment again, and a strong closure in buy side liquidity. On the hourly chart, we can see that weekly perspective starting off on Sunday, rallying up into the 4-hour buy side imbalance, taking out sell side liquidity, drawing to the high, doing a rally and a retracement in this same day here, reclaiming this down close range, reaccumulating on Thursday, and taking out buy side liquidity on Friday and closing strong. On the 15-minute chart here, we have the new day opening gap. So price opened here, spent time in the Asia range, tagged the high, traded lower, took out sell side liquidity, tapped into the daily wick constant encroachment, inverted that SIBI, rallied through the new day opening gap and found support at it, and then right on the 9:30 open, we trade back down into that SIBI and this as a down close candle, bullish order block, and rally strong, reaccumulating in the afternoon and pushing into the end of the day before coming back into its range. On the 5-minute chart, I have marked out the sell side liquidity we take out right at 9:30. Right after 9:30, price trades above, breaks through the high created on 9:30. I took a measurement of the opening range from 9:30 to 10, the highest high and the lowest low in that range, and took a half standard deviation and one full standard deviation as targeting. Price reclaims this bullish order block here on the news, rallies up through that high with some strength, creates a buy side imbalance, rallies through the 0.5 deviation, comes back into the range, takes out sell side liquidity here, and rebalances this range, spends time accumulating, swipes liquidity one more time before 12 o'clock, rallies and creates a buy-side imbalance, and price spends time accumulating in that imbalance until the PM session starts and rallies into that target. On the 1 minute chart here, I've taken everything from the 5 minute and added it lower, and also put in the first presentation fair value gap for this range. So it says the liquidity taken, reaccumulation here, strong break higher with imbalance, our first presentation. Price trades up into this wick, leads people to believe that this is about to break out, sinks it down on them, and allows smart money to enter in the first presentation fair value gap, rallies, and then finally snaps above that high, goes all the way to 50% deviation, comes back into that range, fails to retest the high of the opening range, reaccumulates, creates that buy-side balance on the 5 minute, marks time until the beginning of the PM session where we get that target hit. Alright, so it was a quick one today. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you will take what you learned this week and apply it for the week to come. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Always remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all Monday.